Good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area this morning. We're seeing some light snow showers actually taking place around Davidson County and off down toward the Stanley County area. And so certainly something to keep an eye on. I'm not quite sure if it's if it's reaching the ground or not. I haven't been getting any reports of that, but certainly some possibilities out there that some folks could be waking up to some snow flurries out there this morning. 36 degrees to start the day at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, 35 degrees here at the Weather Center, 21 degrees up there in Boone, one of the cold spots on the map. And then as you really look around the area, temperatures pretty much in the 20s and 30s with the Charlotte Douglas Airport coming in right along with Salisbury and Winston-Salem as the warm spots on the map at 36 degrees. Let's go ahead and take a look now at the bigger picture and what we can expect as we go through the day today and really as we head into the next couple of days, because things will change as we'll get another shot at some winter weather making its way through the area. So here's our front. Go ahead and turn some drawing tools on here. Here's our front that we're keeping an eye on. And what's going to happen is this front's going to continue to make its way south and east. And it's really going to kind of get down here and stall out off the coast as we head into the day on Friday. And as that happens, we're going to get not only some moisture wrapping around, but we're also going to have some cold air funneling in as well ahead of it. So that's going to give us the opportunity to actually get all snow this time on Friday versus a snow ice mix. And there's still some things that still have to happen. One, we have to see how far the front is going to potentially go. Models are really going to start to tighten up on that today, and we'll probably be able to give you some accumulation totals by the end of the day as well. So we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on that. There is some moisture starting to build in ahead of it, some rain that'll make its way east as we go through the day today and make its way into the county on Thursday. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. And we could see some snow mixing in with it as we go during the day on Thursday as well. We'll show you that as well in just a moment. Let's go ahead and clear these out and turn these drawing tools off, and we'll go ahead and get in here and take a look at the model data. Now, again, keep in mind, this is what the models are indicating could happen, and we're going to go ahead and get in closer to home so you can see here. We'll go ahead and highlight all the areas around the county. So here we go. We've got Rockwell, China Grove, Salisbury, Cleveland. There's Coolamy up there, Kannapolis here, Mooresville, off to the west, and Denton over in Davidson County and Lexington, to just kind of give you some ideas of some locations around now. So let's go ahead and take you now hour by hour. This is starting out at 5 a.m. Thursday morning, and you see some light rain falling there in the eastern portions of the county near Rockwell. And then as we head through the day, and we're going hour by hour here, this is now 7 a.m. 8 a.m. and it's actually taking a moment to load here, it looks like, so we'll give it a second. Sometimes it takes a moment to get going. Okay, now we're going to 7. Come on now. Is it going to work for me? We'll back out here. It's actually jumped. It's actually jumped ahead on us, so we'll back it up here for you. I apologize for that. We're gonna get you through it here. So backing up, we're at 5 a.m. now, and I apologize that it jumped ahead, but now we're in line where we need to be. So 5 a.m. Thursday morning. Again, you see some light rain falling around the Rockwell area, and we'll kind of recalibrate you here so you can see what we're talking about. So here is Kannapolis, Rockwell, Granite Quarry, China Grove, Salisbury, Cleveland, Coolamy, Mooresville, Lexington, Denton, just to give you some location points on the map here. And again, this is 5 a.m. Thursday morning. Now 6 a.m. you see rain starting to make its way into the county. All rain. This is 7 a.m. Thursday morning, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11, 12, going to 1 p.m. now, and you see rain continue to take place off and on. Now, here's where we start to see some transitions starting to happen. So up here toward Davidson County and the Lexington area, starting to see some colder air, or some warmer air and colder air start to collide aloft for us. And that's starting to make things change over a little bit, maybe to some sleet up there in Lexington. It would be briefly, though. And then you see it happening here in Rowan County. Now, this is now 3 p.m. A little bit of snow taking place up in the northern part of the county. This is now 4 p.m. Thursday. Now you see mainly all snow taking place, probably mixing in with some rain up toward the Cleveland area, maybe over towards Salisbury. This is 4 p.m. Thursday, now 5 p.m. Thursday. You see areas pretty much west of I-85, maybe starting to see some snow. Could be some rain mixing in as well in some locations, and possibly a little bit of sleet down toward the southern part of the county. Again, any sleet that falls is going to be very briefly. And then, of course, some rain still taking place. So mainly a wintry mix going on. This is now 6 p.m. Thursday evening, continuing to see potentially all snow west of I-85. A little bit of rain and snow and sleet mixing in over toward the eastern part of the county. 7 p.m. starting to see mainly all snow for locations around the county. This is now 8 p.m. Thursday, 9 p.m. Thursday. And then as we head into the overnight hours, things start to wane off a little bit. Let me back this out so you can see the bigger picture now. So now we're at 10 p.m. Thursday evening, and you see everything's taking place more toward the eastern part of the state and along the coast as that front starts to pull away. Now it's going to stall out a little bit. And we're going to take you now. This is 11 p.m. Thursday, going on to midnight, so heading into Friday morning. This is now 1 a.m. Friday morning. 2 a.m. you see starting to see some potential for some freezing rain or some sleet making its way back in. This is now 3 a.m. Not a thing really going on around the county. Could be some stray flurries happening down toward the Gold Hill area. This is now 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. And then by 7 a.m. Friday, we see things starting to build back up here. And all this snow you see taking place down toward the south and east of the county will actually start to make its way back toward the west and north and really start to give us some good snow chances during the day on Friday. That's where this model ends at the moment, is where we've stopped at. But the long-range models are really starting to show the chance that we're going to see all snow on Friday. So not going to give out any totals yet, but certainly not as much moisture with this system as there was with the one that came through this past weekend. So you're not going to see any really crazy high totals, but you certainly could see a few inches. I mean, we're not going to rule that out. Like I said, I'll be passing out or handing out what my accumulation totals are, at least my first call map, sometime later today, and give you an idea of what we can expect in terms of how much snow we could see falling around the county on Friday. Again, it'll start on Thursday. We'll see some snow starting to mix in during the day on Thursday. And again, this model is just one of many, but this one certainly seems to have a pretty good grasp on most of what most of the models are calling for. So I decided to use this one to really show you. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the 5-day forecast and more right after this. Weather impacts for today, sponsored by Patterson Farm. You just saw the details during the break. 2022 season or all season passes are on sale now. You can use promo code all season to save $20 off. That code's valid through January 31st. And again, you can visit the website you see here on your screen. If you can't remember it later on, you can certainly visit RowanCountyWeather.com. We've got the same banner on our homepage. You can just click on the banner and it will take you directly to the Patterson Farm website. So you can get all the details on the all season passes and make your purchases there as well. We'll see mostly sunny skies during the day today. Winds will be out of the southwest at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Mostly cloudy skies this evening, and rain moves in during the overnight hours, really closer to daybreak on Thursday morning. So certainly something to keep in mind as you're heading out the door on Thursday. But today you've got another dry day in place to help some of the melt continue to occur around the county and the area. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. We'll see partly sunny skies today, high of 55. Mostly cloudy skies this evening with a low of 40. On Thursday, we'll see a 70% chance of rain with a high of 47. As we head into the afternoon and evening hours, we could see a wintry mix starting to take place on Thursday. Mainly, it'll be a rain-snow mix for a while, with all snow likely by late in the evening on Thursday. We'll see a low of 23. On Friday, we've got a 50% chance of snow throughout the day, high of 28, low of 19. Again, we'll give you some accumulation ideas later today as the models really continue to get a good grasp on it. I use ensemble forecasting, so there's 51 models out there that I throw together to make sure that I get a good idea of what's going to happen as we get closer to these kind of events. On Saturday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 36, with partly cloudy skies Saturday evening, low of 15. And then for Sunday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 42, with mostly clear skies Sunday evening and a low of 19. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury, available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Wednesday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.